नहीं करता.
Ushongkenor ubadeiru hakajuk kapor managing director jongka MEECL Sanjay Goyal. Hakasngi baaru la pentep bawat la kajingdon jongka ha umyam kalakiu da kumbahan riu hadu nyopudi ai. Lajar kataru kani kampat biang satia ba enla ban wengno sendon ya kajing penlip boarding. Da ka ba pensyaya kemat kinong patai kubor lada ka jela kan light no kendiat kensoit na kajing syak penlip boarding hadin kajing kiu jongka ha ka umyam. Ulo ong ba katanat boarding kamshim la penlip boarding ha kapor min singi ha gini kendiat singi beladam na kadaw bakala don kajing hap slap ka babiang ugoyal ula ong shu ru balada uslap uhap shu akini singi badangwan bad ba katanat boarding kalahun ya kajing kiu jong ko ka sarkar kan sa pendunano sendon ya ki kenta penlip boarding.
Whenever we are getting good amount of rains and all, we, as we must have observed in the last 3-4 days, during the daytime we have not gone ahead with the load shedding because the power was available with us. It is during the evenings if there is no rains and we are having some slightly higher demands. So that's why we are providing powers during evening time without any load shedding across the state and managing it with some bit of load shedding still with the power. So in nutshell, what I can say that if the rains situation improve in the days to come and we are comfortable in terms of water level, definitely we'll go for and will